Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can change user account password in phpMyAdmin localhost. Now you have to go localhost/phpMyAdmin, and then here you will see this section called user accounts. You have to press that, and then here choose your root account by pressing the username, and then go to change password. Now you will able to use the manual password or generated one. So you can just generate a password by pressing this generate button, and you can see this showing this password is very strong. But if you type something like 1234567 8, this shows the password is extremely weak. So we can use generate a password, and make sure you just keep this somewhere else, and then you can press this go button to save that password. Now you can go ahead and replace your password in your code, and then make sure you just save this password, otherwise you have to change the password again if you forget it. So there's another thing. You will see there's another username for this server name localhost, but we change the username, the root of this server name 127, because this is such like a IP address, but this is a just server name as localhost. So you have to change this password if you are using the server name as localhost. You can do by this way, generate the password or use the password as you wish. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.